Introducing the Dual Bank Alarm from Precise Equipment. With a dual bank alarm, both sides of the gas supply can be monitored independently with audio warning and visual LED displays. When one side is depleted, the remote alarm will display a red warning light and accompanying audio alert which can be silenced with a button. The status of the supply will be displayed remotely, showing either the left or right bank as empty. If a reserve tank is also depleted, a second indication will alert you to change supplies. This remote can also recognize new gas supplies independently, automatically resetting itself for the next cycle. The Dual Bank Alarm from Precise Equipment. To learn more or to order today, call 1-800-795-8388 or email info@preciseequipment.com. Precise Equipment. Accurate, trusted, precise.